Today I'm taking a look at the drill press vise. This one does actually come with nuts and bolts, so we can install this to our drill press. And there is the vise. This is actually a fairly substantial vise. I wasn't sure. This looked a lot like the vise that I already had on my drill press, but I'm actually going to be keeping this one just based on the look of it. This is a very heavy duty, nice lead screw on it, nice thick jaws. This is a very nice vise. So the lead screw spins cleanly. We can see that it does come with some oil on there to make sure it doesn't have any rust when we get it. Yeah, nice and smooth operation on that. Like, it does come with a couple of Allens, so that can go right in here so that we can pull off our lead screw in the event that we need to. I also appreciate they didn't put a little tiny handle on here. Quite often with these things, they come with basically just what looks like a pin pushed through here. This makes this whole thing feel just a little bit more legitimate. Looks like those jaws can be removed, so we got a couple of Allens right there and right there. We got a flat jaw, and on this side we do have a couple of cuts so that we can clamp onto various material. So the jaws on here, they are about 1 3/4, and the holes are about 5 1/4 apart. Total length is 7 1/2. Total width is about 6 1/4. The jaws are 4 1/8 wide, and we got a maximum opening size of about 4 3/16. So just to show you, this is the old one. You can see it's got kind of this dinky thing on it. The jaws are a lot shorter on here, and I had to clamp this thing completely down because if I didn't, it would actually rock. So you can put your finger on here and you can hear it go tap, tap, tap. Thinner walls. I think pretty much everything about that new vise is going to be an upgrade. I always just try to get it so that the drill can pass through, so it's not drilling into our rail. And then you can bolt it down, or just do what I do and clamp it. Nice and easy. And because we got a flat surface right here, if I wanted to drill two, we can make sure that they are perfectly parallel. So yeah, that thing will save your fingers, save you a lot of time, especially if you got to drill a lot of holes in a line. There's very few things that are better than that. So overall, very nice little vise.